On a sunny day, two bikers rode into a mysterious forest. What began as a peaceful ride soon turned into a nightmare, for one of them wouldn't make it out. Watch how this situation unfolds. Reminder: in critical moments like this, every second counts. Always call emergency services immediately. And remember, speed can cost lives. Ride responsibly.
You are? All right, man. Okay. Bike running? All right. You help getting it up?
At this moment, he couldn't even speak from the pain.